Now we start with creating center table for last printed serial number. Create a bullet from Bullet Manage. Click Add to have new designer page. Drag and drop and text box. Give name as last serial number. Save the bullet. This bullet uses by concurrent user to record last printed serial number. Save the bullet and give a name as share record serial number 5cmx2cm. This is to allow you to refer in later stage. However, if the printing is single user environment, you no need to create this bullet. Create new report based on the label design required from report management. Toggle to report management menu and click Add. Report wizard appear and you just click Finish to start label design. Refer to your right-hand side, Property windows. Make sure you selected Report, and find Page Settings tab and expand it. Change the paper kind to custom. Adjust the page width to 500 and page height to 200. Based on the 5 cm x 2 cm sticker. You will see the label width adjusted to your label size, but the design height yet to change. Then go to top of the properties. Now change the report to Detail 1 Detail. Now go to Layout, then Size. Change the height to 200. You will see the design page adjusted to your label size. If the view too small, go to the center of the design page. Now change it to 500% for easy designing. Now to add in parameter into label design. Move your mouse to right-hand side and select the database icon. You will see small triangle arrow and question mark. Now click on the parameter, then you will see the plus sign on right-hand side. Click on the plus sign to add new parameter. Rename the parameter to the name you wanted. In this demo is production date. Click OK to complete it. Now second parameter is model. Rename name and description to model. Click OK to complete it. And third parameter is serial number. Rename the name and description to serial number. Click OK to complete it. Back to left-hand side of the screen, drag and drop the text with symbol A from your right to the designing space. From the right-hand side, drag and drop the date parameter to this text. This text design is a combination of date plus model plus serial number. So, you need to add in small formula into this text by clicking the F icon beside the text. A pop-up expression editor windows will appear. Select the text, then fields, expand the parameters, and then select production date and model and serial number. Click OK once finish. Again, drag and drop a barcode from the left-hand side to the design. Repeat the same action again to bind the records to the barcode.